When creating Google Forms, make sure to give a title to your form. Notice that you can change what the top of the form says for respondents to see without changing the actual title of your form.
Directions can be placed in the form descriptions area of the form. When you type a question, Forms detects what kind of question it thinks you need. You can always change it. To add a new question, click on the plus sign. Forms will also give you answer suggestions. You can add your own by clicking where it says Add Option and typing. If you click on Add Other, people get the option to type in their own answer. To see what a form will look like, scroll up and click on the eyeball for a preview. Images can also be added to answer choices as well as to questions. These images can be uploaded, use your webcam, can come from a URL, can come from your drive, or you can do a Google image search. Once an image is inserted, it can also be adjusted by alignment and size. Your question type can always be changed. Multiple choice, checkbox, and drop-down question types are similar. Checkboxes allow for multiple answers to be selected. Notice that with drop-downs, answer choices cannot be images. Questions can be made required by toggling on that option so that people can't submit without responding. They can also be deleted or duplicated. Duplication helps if you have a very similar question that you're going to ask. The file upload question type allows respondents to upload a file in response to your question that will then be saved in a folder in your Google Drive. The linear scale question type allows you to ask respondents a question and have them respond on a scale between 1 and 5 up to between 1 and 10. You can add labels only to the two far ends of the scale. Multiple choice grid and checkbox grid questions are very similar in that you can add the question and then multiple rows and columns. Multiple choice grids only allow one response per row. Checkbox grids allow multiple per row. The final two question types allow respondents to choose a time or date that work for them. Questions can also be imported from other forms in which you have editing rights. Simply click the Import button, select the form, and select the questions that you would like to be imported before clicking Import Questions. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll see other tools. You can also add another title and description, add an image not associated with a question, add a video from your Drive or from YouTube, or create a separate section.
To change the look of your Google form, scroll to the top and click on the Paint palette. Here, you can choose from multiple pre-created themes or upload your own image. Coloring can be changed, and a few basic font styles are available. Click on the gear to adjust settings. If you want parents to be able to complete your form, uncheck the box to limit respondents to being within GCPS.
Under Presentation, you can customize the message that respondents receive when they submit your form. To add collaborators to a form, click on the ellipse in the top right-hand corner. Here, you can click Add Collaborators and search for the person you need. Notice that you're only adding collaborators. Typical share settings are not available in forms. From the ellipse, you can also make a copy, move this form to the trash, and print it. To send your form, click on Send. By default, it comes up to the email icon, but this is using Gmail. We typically click on the link icon and copy the shareable link. You can also grab an embed code and embed your form into eClass.